Let us continue our class on matrices. See, in my previous video, I have explained about the definition of matrix and types of matrices. What is the meaning of order of the matrix? Then types of matrices. Then how do we denote the general notation of matrix? Aij. A is equal to Aij. So where Aij represents the position of the element. So we discussed all these things in my previous video. Okay. So now we shall take up some of the simple examples. See, you are observing on the screen. So this is the exercise problems given here. Exercise 3.1. So I will solve one by one here. See, there are 5 examples have been given here. Okay, let us go and solve one by one here. Let us go through the question here. In the matrix A, see, the matrix is given. Write the order of the matrix, the number of elements, then write the elements. So third question is, see, write the elements. So they have asked to write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. So we have to write all these elements. So we know this represents the position of the elements. Then in second question, so this is about the first question. So see, second question says, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So this is the second question. So similarly we have third, fourth and fifth question. So let us solve one by one. See, I will take up the first question here. So in that we have 3 sub questions: order of the matrix, number of elements, and we have to write the elements here. Okay, so let us write that. See, first one is order of the matrix. So what is the matrix given there? So matrix is 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. So this is the matrix. See here, order is asked here. So order of the matrix is, see, number of rows and columns. So you count the number of rows and columns. See here, number of rows 3 and columns are 4 here. So order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. Okay, this is the answer for first question. So in the first one we have this order of the matrix. So order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. Then second question says, in that what was the second question? See, number of elements. So we shall see a number of elements. So here count the number of elements. Here what I told was 3 cross 4. 3 into 4. So what will be the number of elements here? There are 12 elements. So total number of elements in the matrix is 12. So the answer for second one is number of elements is 12. Okay, then third one is, so we have to write the given elements. Okay, so let me write the matrix again here. So 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, so fraction is there. So root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. See, third one is, so we have to write what is asked here, A13. See, first row and third column, the element which lies in first row and third column. See, first row and third column. So what is this A13? This is 19. Then next A21, second row first element. So what is the second row first element? See, second row first element is 35. Then A33. See, third row third element. So what is the third row third element? So this is the third row, and the third element is what? Minus 5. Then next A24. See, second element, see, second row fourth column. So second row fourth column. So second row, this is the second row and fourth column. So the element is, you can write it as 12. Then another element is asked here. See, I will do here A23, second row and third column. So you see here, this is the second row, third column, that is what? 5 by 2. Clear? This is the answer for first question. So we have to see the position and write the elements correctly. See, order of the matrix, we written the order of the matrix, then the number of elements is 12, then we have written the elements. Okay, let us concentrate on the next question here. See here, if a second question, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? What if it has 13 elements? So try to understand the question first. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? What if it has 13 elements? Okay, so how many elements are given? 24 elements. So number of elements is equal to 24. So possible orders. So if total number of elements is 24, then what are the possible orders here? Possible orders are, see, 24 into 1. See, 24 rows may be present, one column may be there. Then 8 cross 3. So 8 3 is 24. 8 rows and 3 columns may be present. Or 3 cross 8. Or 1 cross 24. Or 6 cross 4. 6 rows and 4 columns. Or 4 cross 6. So this is also possible. Then what are the other possibilities here? So you have to write down this one by one. Then I will write here. So other possibilities are 12 cross 2, 12 into 2, 24, or 2 cross 12. See here, these are all the possible orders of the matrix. Okay, then what if it has 13 elements? See, if number of elements 13, then possible orders. See, if number of elements is 13, then possible orders, so we have only possibility is 13 rows and 1 column, or 1 row and 13 columns. 13 cross 1 and 1 cross 13. These are the two possibilities. So this is the answer for second question. So that is, see here. So we have completed these two questions. See, third question is, if a matrix has similar type of question, so if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Okay, third question. So let me take up the third question. So here, total number of elements is given as say 18. So 18 is given here. So possible orders: 6 cross 3, 3 cross 6, then 18 cross 1, or 1 cross 18, 9 cross 2, say 2 cross 9. Okay, these are the possible orders if total number of elements is 18. So you write all this: 6 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows, 6 columns, 18 rows, 1 column. So these are the possibilities. So another question is attached here. What if it has 5 elements. So if number of elements is equal to 5, then possible orders is, see, 5 cross 1, 1 cross 5. These two are the options, 1 cross 5 or 5 cross 1. So this is the answer for third question. See now fourth question. So fourth one is very very important. So it may be asked for 1 mark in part A. See, construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. See, A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by, so here 3 cases are there. Aij is given here. So this is the second case. So here there are 3 cases. Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Aij is equal to I by j. Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So we have to find out the elements and write the matrix. So what is the order of the matrix here? Given 2 cross 2. We have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 means how many elements should have? 4 elements. So I am talking about this fourth question. Okay, let us solve the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is, see here, fourth one is construct 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by. So fourth one, in that I will consider first one. So what is Aij here? So Aij is, so observe carefully, Aij is given as I plus j whole square divided by 2. See here, this is given, this is the first one. So this is general element, Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. So we have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. So how it looks, 2 cross 2 matrix? See, 2 cross 2 matrix means it should be like this: A11, A12, A21,